I had it. I quit my cushy management job to clean toilets, and after 8 years, I sold my cleaning company and made millions of dollars in the process. It wasn't sexy, but it was definitely worth it. But before I break down the exact steps I took to grow this business, let me tell you how it all started. I had no experience, I had no money, and definitely no clue what I was doing. All I knew is I wanted to build something that was mine, and all the effort I poured into it would directly benefit me. All I had was some cleaning supplies and a ton of grit. Stick around and I'll show you how I went from cleaning houses to running a commercial janitorial company, pulling in 6 figures every month. And no, this was not luck. It was strategy, persistence, and a lot of elbow grease. And so I started small, like really small. Just me, my car, and a few basic cleaning supplies I bought from the dollar store. I was literally going door to door, offering to clean people's homes. And I wasn't picky. I took whatever job I could get. It wasn't glamorous, but it was mine. And pretty quickly, word started spreading, and people love a good, thorough clean. And I made sure every job was spotless. I built my reputation on quality, reliability, and a level of care that most people weren't used to. What set me apart was my focus on cleaning, but even more importantly than that was building relationships. I had an ultra positive attitude while speaking to my clients. If any issues came up, I dealt with them immediately. My phone number was always out there, and I never let it go to voicemail when they called me. I answered every time, and I went out of the way to make sure each customer had the best customer service experience. And as I started to build up a lot of my regular clients, I realized something. There was a lot more money in specialized services. So I taught myself how to clean windows, clean carpets, 2 services that people are willing to pay a premium for. I bought an inexpensive portable carpet cleaner and some window washing tools with my savings, and just like that, I was literally making double what I was bringing home from regular house cleaning. And the best part, my clients loved that I could handle more than just their kitchen and bathrooms. I was their one-stop shop for everything cleaning. They started recommending me for bigger and bigger jobs, and I wasn't about to turn down that opportunity. And soon enough, I was too busy to handle all the jobs myself. So I hired my first employee. That was a game changer. With a second set of hands, I could take on more clients and start thinking about scaling. I decided to branch out into commercial cleaning, offices, retail spaces, even some local medical facilities. This was a different ball game, but I knew there was potential. I landed my first commercial contract by walking into a local business and pitching them directly. They gave me a shot, and I made sure we delivered above and beyond customer service. And from there, I expanded into full service janitorial solutions. We weren't just cleaning floors anymore, we were handling everything from deep cleaning carpets to power washing sidewalks. I invested in better equipment, and I hired more specialized staff. It wasn't long before I had a team of over 60 employees working in shifts, cleaning buildings all over the city. We were bringing in 6 figures in monthly revenue, and I knew I was onto something very big. And after years of grinding and building this company from the ground up, I got an offer I couldn't refuse. Millions of dollars to sell the entire business. And it wasn't an easy decision. I had poured my heart and soul into this company, but the timing was right, and it gave me the financial freedom to explore new opportunities. Now the question is, so how did I go from zero to a multi-million-dollar exit? Here's what I did right. I first started small, scaled smart. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. Master your craft before you try to grow. I started with basic house cleaning and added services as I got better and build up my reputation. The next one is leverage specialized services. If you can offer something unique like carpet cleaning or window cleaning, you can charge more and attract higher paying clients and add substantial revenue to your current clients. The next thing is don't be afraid to expand. Once you've got a solid foundation, go after commercial clients. They offer consistent long-term contracts that can really stabilize your income. The next thing is you have to invest in your team. You can't do it all yourself. Hiring the right people allowed me to scale up and take on bigger projects without sacrificing quality. The last one is know when to exit. Selling my business was the hardest decision I ever made, but it was definitely the right one. If you build something valuable, there will always be buyers. Don't be afraid to cash out when the timing feels right. And if you're in a similar situation that I was, you're stuck at a job you hate or a degree program that isn't serving you, remember this, you don't have to follow the traditional job path to be successful. I went from scrubbing toilets to building a business worth millions, and I did it without any fancy degrees or investors backing me. All it took was the willingness to work hard, learn as I went, and never settle. Are you thinking about starting your own business? Go check out unsexybusinessmen.com. There we put together all the documents you'll need and a startup guide that would have saved me months of headache and time when I first started my business. I wish this would have existed when I first started out. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got tons of practical advice and no BS tips coming your way. If you have any questions about getting started, drop them in the comments. I read every single comment and I'm here to help you succeed.